It's 2024. It is April 26th, and we are starting off the Seafkus turkey season here in Minnesota. A little breezy. That's it. We're just gonna do it. Get her started. Oh my God. They don't sound too far away. What? They don't sound too far away. No. They're directly on the other side of the ridge. It's probably like 100, 200 yards maybe. They're not that far away. Still up in the tree over there. The other ones are on the ground. Go get him, Matt. Go get him.
It's a Jake, but dude, it does not matter. That was freaking exhilarating. Dude, all those birds that came in were Jakes, were they not?
I think there might have been 1 or 2 hens back here.
How did you make that shot, dude? Underneath?
Under the fucking tree, dude.
That is insane, Matthew. Oh my god. Dude, I didn't even think you had anywhere near having a shot.
Oh
bro.
my god.
You're not mad that it's a Jake, are you?
Not one bit.
Good, good. Let's go, dude. And that was just when I started doing the real aggressive calling. I was like, why you're walking? And I just looked and I just saw a red head.
Right as I heard him. Right as I heard him, I picked my safety off.
So how did you see him before I said something?
Yes.
Okay.
Like just 2 seconds before you said something. I tried to look at all the other birds to see if there was a full tom, but
you couldn't see, dude.
I couldn't really see the couple
clan,
behind
dude, why? Why even care, dude?
God, that's a big bird for a Jake, too. Oh my lord. Nice little 4-incher, baby.
Yep.
Unreal. First bird on public, Minnesota. They were partying this morning.
Dude, that was sweet. No, dude. I'm not even sure.
It's kind of hard to tell what really happened. There had to have been at least half a dozen, if not more, gobbling this morning.
When they came in, I thought that first one was a tom right away because he was beautiful, blue
Yeah.
head, redneck.
Well,
I saw his beard. Then the next 3 behind were all Jakes.
And they were silent as they were coming in too. We didn't know they were coming in, and I was not facing the right direction either.
Like crazy this morning.
Awesome morning. First bird, nice Jake, big body on it. And it was not gobbling like a Jake either.
No, he gobbled like
They were gobbling.
They were.
They were walking in a line. That first one, I almost took the first one, but he moved and this guy poked his head up and then he went down.
That's one hell of a shot, dude.
Shot him under a tree. Yeah, awesome morning.
Right here?
Yep.
That's where you shot through?
Yep.
Unreal. That is nuts.
About 4 inches, bud.
Stretch her out good here. I'll hold at the base for you. Oh, 4.5.
4.5, baby. Let's go.
4.5 all day. We'll take
Thick.
that.
Hold what?
Hold it all the way up, off the ground. Completely.
17.6.
That is a tiny light.
It is.
That's alright though.
Oh yeah.